second one, Emi was igagwan was lo job where parang say all angel I make him sing rocket time go di putumwa. So you know gagwan was we parang say go di make him all angel. They was yeah we even in taramat say go no we start first time go no we start. Ale all angel I make him sing rocket time go di putumwa. So you miss everything but say okay sometime between go di make him all angel. So I mean I'm good first time good after all angel. After next one I think from 2. Yes, so next one him yeah. Hemi come out lo 2 different book lo Bible. First one hemi Ezekiel 28, and second one hemi Isaiah 14. To the passage yeah, it let's say we got one nice for the angel named have morning star. Hemi one way hemi high more beat them full of not for the angel. The Hemi want them come high more beat them good. Like what he can say no, everyone senior will come proud of them. But you must have heaven, so let's step inside the heaven. So morning star, God he change him in Hemi come Lucifer from Satan, meaning enemy or bad friend. Like what the out of heaven with them all angel, we only want them full and Satan. So angel you need to say some natural name look an angel, yes, some you can say evil spirits, some you can demon. They only angel yet they have no good angel, we only being full and Satan. Okay. So him Satan he Bible talk about Satan the next few stories. We could also say